Welcome to Tech Cut, your ultimate stop for all things tech and gadgets. If you love cool Amazon finds, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. In today's video, we're diving into 5 must-have Amazon gadgets, each perfect for tech lovers. You'll want to grab them right away, and all links are in the description below. Let's jump right in. Say hello to the coolest robot toy out there. The 98K Kids robot toy is more than just a toy. It's an interactive friend for your little ones. Available in blue, pink, red, and yellow, this robot will not only keep your kids entertained, but also teach them important skills. Priced at $29.99, it's an ideal gift for kids age 3 and above. This smart talking robot is loaded with features, including singing, dancing, and even repeating what your child says. With voice control and a touch sensor, your kids can easily command their new robot friend. The best part, it's made of safe, eco-friendly material that meets U.S. toy safety standards. Whether your child needs a play buddy or an intelligent teacher, this robot has it all. Why settle for a regular toy when you can have a smart talking robot that dances and sings? Gamers, this one's for you. Meet the Red Thunder K10 wireless gaming keyboard and mouse combo, priced at $41.38. This combo is designed to give you the edge you need in your gaming battles. With 2 4G high-speed wireless transmission, you'll enjoy uninterrupted gameplay even during intense sessions. This RGB backlit combo features put-in keycaps for a stunning light effect and an ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hands. With long battery life and smart energy-saving features, the keyboard and mouse automatically sleep when not in use. Whether you're gaming or working, this wireless set ensures smooth performance. Light up your gaming world with Red Thunder's epic RGB backlit keyboard and mouse combo. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to ultimate comfort. The Fordham seat cushion and lumbar support pillow is perfect for anyone who spends long hours sitting, whether in the office, the car, or at home. Available in various colors like black mesh and blue velour, this memory foam cushion will adjust to your body's contours, offering the best support. Recommended by orthopedic experts, this cushion set alleviates pressure on your tailbone and sciatic nerve, ensuring you stay pain-free. It's portable, lightweight, and comes with a removable, washable cover for easy maintenance. Priced at $29.99, it's a must-have for anyone seeking comfort and support. Transform your seat into a cloud of comfort with Fordham's memory foam cushion. If you own an iPhone, this one's a game changer. The INIU MagSafe portable charger is a sleek, ultra-slim power bank with a 6,000 mAh capacity. Priced at $29.99, this magnetic wireless charger is designed exclusively for iPhone models 12 and above. Forget tangled cables, just snap it on for instant charging. Featuring a foldable stand, it's perfect for watching videos or making calls hands-free. The compact design makes it easy to carry, while the Temp Guard 2.0 system ensures safe, efficient charging. With a 3-year warranty and lifetime support, this charger is a must-have for iPhone users. Never run out of power with INIU's sleek MagSafe portable charger. Tired of vacuuming? Let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum do the work for you. This smart vacuum, priced at $269.99, features matrix clean navigation, ensuring that every corner of your home is spotless. With its powerful suction and self-cleaning brush roll, it's perfect for homes with pets. The vacuum maps your home for precise cleaning and even empties itself with a 30-day capacity self-empty base. You can control it with your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant, making cleaning easier than ever. With 120 minutes of runtime, this vacuum can clean your entire home without breaking a sweat. Let Shark AI Ultra take care of the mess so you don't have to. And there you have it, 5 incredible Amazon gadgets you'll want to grab today. From interactive robot toys to smart home solutions, each product is designed to enhance your daily life. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to get your hands on these awesome gadgets. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing tech reviews from TechGut.